This right here is a $20 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade. Yes, and you can also withdraw from it. So I've been able to claim this bonus and I'm already trading with it. So once you meet their terms and conditions, you'll be able to withdraw from it. So I want you all to head on to go and claim it. So let's get into the video as I show you all the steps that you will need to claim this bonus. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So let's go.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so for you to get the link, you just go to the description below. Then you're going to see something like this. Claim your funded account here, or claim your no deposit bonus here, or claim the bonus right here. Yes, so you just click on the link that you see there. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to my Telegram channel. As you can see it, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you're going to see. So to bring you over to my Telegram channel, so that is where you're going to get the link. Yeah, so this is my Telegram channel, and that is where you're going to see the link. Can you get it? Yes, so that's how to access the link. And you can also join my Telegram community for more updates. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. So we're going to be inputting our name, email, password, phone number. Then you can ignore this IB. Then we're making use of MT4, that's MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. Then we have the leverage right here. Then we're going to choose an account, which is the $20 no deposit bonus, as you can see right here. We have other options, yes, but the one that we're going for is the $20 no deposit bonus. So once we're done filling in our details, then we're just going to agree, then click on open an account. So let's do that. Yes, so as you can see, my registration is successful. Yes, so a code has been sent to my Gmail. So I'm just going to copy the code and paste it right here. Okay, so this is my Gmail. As you can see, Firewood FX. So this is the code. So I'm just going to copy the code, then paste it. I'll paste it right here. Then after doing that, I'm going to click on confirm. Yes, so you are successfully registered. So I'm registered already and I've gotten my details. Yes, for me to log into MT4 and not MT5. So I already have my details right here. So congrats, your account is ready. Okay, so I'm going to be logging into MT4 right now. So let's go to MT4. Okay, but before we sign into MetaTrader 4, we need to see that our $20 is approved. So we're going to click on view account. So it's loading. Then we're going to scroll up. Yes, so you can see it is approved. Look, you can see the $20 right here. It is approved. So this is the site. This is what, yes, it looks like. So now let's go and log into MT4 rather, MT4. Okay, so this is MT4 right here. So we're going to log into an existing account. Then we're going to be inputting the name of the broker, which is Firewood. Firewood FX. So we have Firewood FX demo and we have the Firewood FX main. But we're going to be making use of the Firewood FX main. Yes, so we're going to be inputting our login ID and our password. So after doing that, we're going to sign in. So we're going to sign in. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten it already. This is it right here, the $20 no deposit bonus. So you can see it right here. So I've gotten it and I can use it to trade. Okay, so make sure you claim yours right now. And regarding the terms and conditions, we have two withdrawal method. We have the one that you have to use 2 lot size to trade. Yes, and you also have the one that you have to deposit $100 before you can withdraw. But the one that we need to do is you using 2 lot size to trade. That is to withdraw the bonus and any profit generated from it. Traders need to close at least 2 lots of eligible trades within 30 days. Yes, so you need to close at least 2 lots within 30 days. So this is the terms and conditions right here, so you can go through it. Yes, you can go through it. So if there's any question, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you.